So, just massaging her this morning. Her shoulder's hurting really bad, so I'm just gonna massage. You can hear the popping sound in there. I don't know, like again, I don't know if the popping sounds are good or bad. Yeah, but it's making all that sound. So I kind of just use my fist, kind of the sharp side, and just kind of go in there. Hi.
Hi, Dylan.
You hear that popping sound? That's also, this is like very lightly, not very hard. I'm just kind of nudging lightly on her backside of her head. And I just go with the, the flow of the body, like how this is. You can hear the popping sounds when I'm nudging through. So this is where her trouble, mostly it's right here along the edges, but I'm just doing one side for now. And kind of gently move to the other side, like, the left side, because it's further over there. It's harder for me to reach to, so I kind of just stay on the right side, which is where her main concern is, like her trouble areas. She says mostly in this area, right here, and then right here, and then I kind of just go like that, like just go like how this is, coming down like so, then just go with the right path, I guess, and then just lightly nudge it through. You can hear the popping sound still. Like it's crazy, like the amount of popping in her head. Like when I'm nudging through. Like that, like the sides. Like that. Just just make a fist like that. And sometimes if you want to put oil in there, like lavender, eucalyptus, whatever, it also helps out with the stress. So, and then you kind of just move along, like how this is going down like that. Just kind of nudge it down like that. I haven't really worked on this side yet because it's like really, it's more fragile in that area. So I kind of use the fist like on the, like this, in the bigger area. And then this, I kind of just go like this with my fingers, like kind of, like kind of clawed, I guess, like with the two fingers. And then you just kind of claw. She's a small lady, so she's not that big. So, lightly. It just depends on the person. Like if some people like they want it like a little bit harder or a little bit rougher, then you can just put more, more strength in there. But with her, her muscles are very fragile, and she does dialysis, so I have to be very gentle with that. And then see, and then this area is like a bigger area, so I kind of just use this very lightly, of course, and then just massage through. You can hear the popping sound in there. And her bone is like bulging out on this side, so I don't know. I gotta check with the orthopedic doctor. Ortho doctor. No, that's foot. Or spine doctor, I guess. I don't know. I'll go to the family doctor and have them check it out. How you feeling, Moy? You feel better? Yay. You can hear all that popping sound. And then the front here, like the clavicle right here. I kind of just, and then when you go like that, you can also hear like some, kind of use your thumb and kind of pick it up like that, lightly, not too hard, just gently, and just go like that. You can hear the popping sound even in her ear when I'm using this like that. It's so crazy, all that popping sound. So this is just the right side that I'm doing, kind of. I done this earlier already, about like 10 or 15 minutes already, but I just started recording this right now. So I'm just doing that, coming down like that. Usually I use the other hand to kind of like, you know, reinforce on this side, then I start massaging on this side. But with this, I can just go like that. Are you okay? I'm gonna claw a little bit. Change position, change my hands. Mom, you okay? You feel better? Bạn tịch vậy?
Yeah.
Just go all the way around. This is just the right side, and then kind of go like that. Like, if you have fingernails, don't do this. But you know, if you do have fingernails, kind of just, you know, go lightly. So see how I'm doing this. I kind of contour to the shape of her body and her muscle, like how I'm going like that. So there's not, and I know the muscle goes like that. It attaches to the arm right there. So I'm kind of I just go like this. And then her trouble area is mostly like here. So I kind of just claw like that, lightly. And then work my way down a little bit to her arm, because she said it numbs all the way down to her arm or her hand. So I kind of just go like that, but mostly it's like in this area. Look, it's so good. She's falling asleep. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing this, and probably get her medication ready. The time is it's 10 already, so probably get breakfast and medication for her, and then keep massaging, have her feel a bit better, you know, and maybe take her for a walk, because it's nice. I walk in the park because it's really nice outside. So I'm gonna keep doing this.